Now I am going to discuss you about a string function in Excel. First I will explain you what is a string and what are the different functions, then how to apply them in Excel. I am going to explain you one by one. So first of all, what is a string? If you look here, a name is there, David. So basically David is a string. And what are characters? D, A, V, I, D. Okay, they are this character. So basically a string is a combination of character. So what are we going to discuss today? A string function in Excel. So the very first function is left. As you can see here, I have written here use for extracting number of specified character from a string from leftmost side. Now we'll go back to Excel. Okay. So I'm going to explain you about left. Now what do you say? Left. It takes two parameters. First parameter, the string from where you are going to extract. Next, the number of parameters that you are going to extract. So you can see here. So I am saying Excel, I am going to apply left function to A2 and I would like to extract two character from leftmost side. You can see here HA has come. I'm just dragging it. You can see here. Okay, the next function is right. Use for extracting number of specified characters from a string from rightmost side. So let's come back here. I say right. Okay. A2. A2 means the string and I say 3 now. So when I'm saying 3 and it is right. So this is 1, 2, 3. You can observe here. Okay. I'm dragging it. You can see here. Alright. The next is mid. What I've written here, use for extracting a number of specified character from in between the string. So let's see this. I say here mid and I say A2, comma. From where you want to extract and how many character you want to extract. So H is 1, A is 2, it means 2. It means I'm starting from 2 and I would like to extract number of characters 3. You can see here, ARR has come. I'm just dragging it. You can see here. So it basically takes two parameters. Okay, first parameter from where you are going to extract, the next parameter from where to start, and the next parameter is how many characters you would like to extract. Okay, the next is find. Used for finding the position of a character in a given string. At any given moment, if you want to find out position of a given character in a string, so how do you say this? So I'm saying find A and I'm saying A2. It means I'm saying Excel find out if character A is available in A2 or not. You can see it has come to because, okay, because here 1, 2, again David 1, 2 and so on. Next is your lower. So what I've written here will convert all character into lowercase characters. You can see here I say lower. Okay. Lower and now you specify. So I say Harry. So you can see here it gets converted into lowercase character. The reverse of it is upper. Okay, you can see here I have written will convert all character into uppercase letter. So let us say I'll input a new name here. Okay, where I will input a name which is in a small character and let's see what will happen. Okay, so I'm just writing here. Okay, I say Rakesh Khanna. Okay, you can see here. Now I'll come to upper. Okay, and I write down upper. Okay, this is Harry. So you can see here I'm dragging, dropping, and all the character get converted into uppercase character. Okay, next is proper. Will convert all characters. Will convert every character of new word into uppercase. Let's see this. I say proper. Proper. Okay, this. I can drag it. So if you observe here, okay, this name. Now let us say I'll change the name over here and I say kindly observe here. You can see here it is converted into this. Okay. The next is len. Will give us the length of a string. What is length basically? Okay. How many characters? If at any given moment you would like to know how many characters are there in a string, so length is there. So I'm just writing here. I say len. Okay. This you can see here. So how many characters are there in a string? Length will tell you. You can see here. Okay. The next is your concatenate. So concatenate function is basically used for adding different string into a single string. So let us say I'm just writing here. Okay, I say here and I say Mumbai. Now I'm planning to add these two strings. So I say concatenate. My first string is this, comma. My next string is Mumbai. So it means I am saying Excel add a string which is there in C11 to a string which is D11. So you can see here this such come. Now, if you like to give some space, so you can give this. I'm just writing here. I can say here this name, comma. I want address. So it means now I'm adding four strings. First is name. Second is the content of C11. Third is address. And fourth is the content of D11. You can see here how it has come. I think very much clear. The next is your trim. Used for trimming blank spaces from a string. So let us say, suppose if I input a name here, let us say I'm saying David, and by mistake, I press space bar, 1, 2, 3. And if I come here, okay, the space are not visible right now. But if I try to find out len, okay, you can see here, it is giving 8 because the blank spaces are there, which are not visible right now. So, but you want to remove the blank spaces, then we use the concept of trim. So I can say trim. Okay, what do you want to trim? You want to trim this. Okay, now if you try to have length, so I think you can observe here, David here, consisting of n number of spaces which we are not aware of. When we try to find out length, it is giving 8. Now, what I try to do here, I say trim. So, but basically what trim is doing, it is removing the spaces. And now you can see here 5 is coming. So that is the exact length of the string David right now. Thank you for watching it. In next, I'll be teaching you about date function in Excel.